Hi, I'm Bob Alsop with Shop Sabre CNC. Around here they call me Router Bob. I've got a neat new accessory for your Shop Sabre plasma machine. Some of our Shop Sabre CNC plasma machines have a feature called a water table. Here's what that consists of. It's really a shallow tank that's filled with water with our Plasma Defender additive so it doesn't rust. There's some little vertical metal pieces that support the material, and your material lays on top of that. In the machining process, sometimes water splashes, especially if you're at the edge of the table. We've got this neat new option called a splash protector that actually fits down at the edge of the table. They're easy to remove and replace so they don't really interfere with loading and unloading the machine. And these are available in a number of different lengths. If you need more information, you can contact us at shopsabre.com. Thank you for watching.